Hi, welcome to myprojectbazaar.com.
Now we are going to study about resisting web proxy-based HTTP attacks by temporal and spatial locality behavior. Abstract. A novel server-side defense scheme is proposed to resist the web proxy-based distributed denial of service attack. The approach utilizes the temporal and spatial locality to extract the behavior features of the proxy to server traffic, which makes the scheme independent of the traffic intensity and frequently varying web content. A nonlinear mapping function is introduced to protect weak signals from interference of infrequent large values. Then a new hidden semi-Markov model parameters by Gaussian mixture and gamma distribution is proposed to describe the time-varying traffic behavior of web proxies. The new method reduces the number of parameters to be estimated and can characterize the dynamic evolution of proxy to server traffic rather than the statics. Two diagnostic approaches at different scales are introduced to meet the requirement of both fine-grained and coarse-grained detection. Soft control is the novel attack response method proposed in this work. It converts a suspicious traffic into a relatively normal one-by-one behavior reshaping rather than rudely discoding. This measure can protect the quality of services legitimate users. The experiment confirmed the effectiveness of the proposed scheme. Flow diagram. First you have start the TSL model of proxy. One is your data input data. Then you have to find out TSL models training or detecting. If you have detecting means going to GGHS system. If you have training means going to forward backward algorithm. For phase 2, this detected data beyond of the string f1, s2 is the string is normal means going to regular queue, if else going to behavior reshaping. That reshaping model will go further in every moment to searching monitoring for forward backward algorithm for behavior reshaping. Then behavior reshaped algorithm abnormal queue foundation. That queue value is going to web server based upon our proxy-based. This main process for HTTP response and request in every users to intermediate proxy servers. When you have found out the abnormal queues has been redacted in our process. Let us start a project demo for a string web proxy. First I have node creation. I have 50 node creation. Next, extract in our nodes. This is node ID, this is node position x and y position. Then distance calculations. After we have to cluster into nodes. Have a cluster in 3 type. Next, view that clustered nodes. This is one type of cluster, this is one type of cluster, this is one type of cluster. This is transmit node. Next, we have to randomly choose cluster hit 29, 50 and 42. View that node 0, 1, 2. This is proxy. Then we have to transmitter proxy to server. Next, data sent to cluster head. This is cluster head. This is from sensors. This is node ID. This is file size. This is 33.6 bandwidth size. Same as in every node. Every sensor node has a different IDs and different file size, different bandwidths. Then receive from sensors in cluster head. Cluster head is sent to proxy to server. Proxy receive that data. This is cluster head. This is node ID. This is data transferred. Next, proxy receiving details. Node ID cluster head file size, then type of connection, bandwidth, then time calculation for each node. Totally 63 second, 30 second, 56 second for 56 kbps speed. Then we have to time checking, then requesting checking. This is only he has sent request only, not receiving a response. This it is. Next, formation. This is our formation. Send the data to cluster head, send it to proxy. We have find out abnormal queues. These are all abnormal queues. Then regular queue and send it to server. Hard control scheme. We have to remove that abnormal queue values. Then soft control scheme. Soft control scheme only remove that nodes only, but soft control scheme has been remove that whole cluster head and nodes, all nodes values. Thank you for watching this video.